Hello guys, welcome to my channel.
Today we are going to learn use of for loop, while loop and repeat loop in Kotlin. In Kotlin we have different types of for loops. So one by one we understand how can we use different form of for loop as we require them. So first of all we see the for loop with list. Okay, first of all we are creating a list of day of week. Then for creating this we having a list of keyword. Then we are passing inside the days like Sunday. Then we are passing here Monday. Then next day is Tuesday. Then Wednesday. Then Thursday. Then Friday. Then last one is Saturday. Okay, I forgot the semicolon. Now a list is ready. We are going to display this list by using a for loop. See the use of for loop in Kotlin for displaying this list. So we put the one variable is called day in day of week. So here this day will take one value from this particular list like Sunday and will display in println. Okay, day. So one value at a time means first time Sunday, second time Monday, third time Tuesday, then Wednesday till Saturday. One by one all the value will be displayed. So this is the use of the for loop for displaying list. You see, this is the output. Okay, now second output is using for each. Okay, so for that what we have to do, we have to take list and then put here for each. Okay, and here we have to use curly bracket, starting bracket, and then this. So automatically it will display in it is the word. Remember that this for each, if we do not start from the curly bracket like this, we start from next line. If we start this curly bracket from next line, then it generate error. This it is not defined. So we have to start this each for each loop from the beginning of this line, means end of this line. So this curly bracket should be start on the same line from which we are ending the for each. Okay, automatically this it variable will come as a string for each, and this it will display one by one each and every value of this list. Now you see again. Okay, let's see. So after Saturday again we have Sunday, Monday, Wednesday. So once we have display from this using list, second we have display the list of value by using a for each loop. Okay, so this is the two types of for loop here. Now we see the another one. Okay, I'm deleting this. Then next one is for loop with range. Okay, let's see the for loop with range. For loop, then variable name in 1 to 10. Suppose I want to display the value of a from 1 to 10. So like this, a is a variable in, then this is the range 1 to 10, 10 to 12, whatever you want to give the range. So this value a will be displayed here from 1 to 10, means 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, like this. See the output. So this is the one more kind of use of for loop. We display the value from 1 to 10. Okay, like this we can also use for loop like this, a in, then 10 down to 2. That means I'm displaying the value of a, okay, from 10 to 2 in the reverse order, 10 to 2 or maybe 10 to 4, whatever you want to give, and start. You see the output. See, after this first loop, then we have 10, 9, 8, 7 till 4. If we change the value, we can change this also from, you see, 8 to 4. Then again see the output. Okay, that means you can use down to also. One more type of for loop we have, for, then a in 1 until 10, means starting from 1 and value of a, and until 10 means is less than 10, so it will display from 1 to 9, value from 1 to 9. Okay, see, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So these are the types of for loop in Kotlin. For loop with list, for loop with range, for loop with down to, for loop with until, and for loop for each loop. Okay, for each loop. Now see the one more thing, another types of loop is called repeat. See, under this you put the how many time you want to repeat the loop. I said 5 times, so it automatically it will println my value dvk tutorials. Okay, so it will display my channel name 5 times. Repeat 5, then println, so dvk tutorials 5 times. This is the example of repeat loop. Similarly, we have a while loop, but while loop is similar as we are using Java also. Like this, we are saying a is less than 10. Okay, then println value of a, then a equal to a plus 1, similar as we have, but this variable is not defined, so define a. Okay, so now a is defined. Here we have not initialized, so we are initializing with 0 and start. Now value of a will display from 0 to 10. Okay, 9, 0 to 9, because less than 10. So these are the use of for loop, while loop, and repeat loop in Kotlin. Let's meet you in another.